Hello guys, welcome to the IT Expert YouTube channel. Please subscribe the channel. We'll continue our CCNA lesson 200 up to 301. Today we'll study about the VLAN configuration, configuring track port, configuring range of interface to one VLAN, and we'll study about the voice VLAN and enter VLAN. First of all, in the slide I will show you how you can create, how you can assign a VLAN port. Then we'll go for configure one diagram. For creating the VLAN, just you need to type the VLAN and the VLAN number, VLAN 10, 11, 20, 100, 1000. You just need to type the number of the VLAN. For when you have plan to go to inside of the VLAN interface, just type interface VLAN example 10. And if you want to assign the port to the VLAN, you need to go inside of the port interface fast Ethernet 101, then just type switch port mode access. This is very important. You should know that the switch port mode should be access the track and the mode. If the track mode will not be assigned to an interface, track mode will not assign it to any VLAN. Okay, the next step you need to do is switch port mode, switch port access VLAN 10. VLAN configuration will configure the voice VLAN. We can configure the separating VLAN and management VLAN track port. Let's start. We have diagram in a packet tracer. In this diagram we have HR department, which we will configure for VLAN 10, and we have finance department, we will configure it for VLAN 20, and we have another switch, we name it for the second floor, we'll configure that to VLAN 16. And first of all, we're going to configure this each VLAN, and we're checking to can they communicate with each other or no. We have a voice VLAN, we'll configure the management VLAN, and also we will configure the enter VLAN last. Okay, first of all, how you will assign fast Ethernet 1, 2, 3 to the VLAN 10, and we'll assign fast Ethernet 4, 5, 6 to VLAN 20. Okay, let's start the configuration. Yes, enable mode, config mode. First of all, VLAN 10, just VLAN 10. VLAN 10 is created. We name it as a HR. Yes, HR, or no name HR. Yeah, we can remove its name and we can rename it name HR dash department. Yes, we'll exit it. We'll create the VLAN 20. We'll name it as a name finance department. Yes. Now we are going to configure the interface VLAN. So in interface VLAN, we'll assign IP address to its VLAN. Interface VLAN 10. Yes. And here we can assign IP address 192.168.10.1 255.255.255.0. Yes. Next step we need to assign the interface to the VLANs. Yes, in here, as I told you, we will configure fast Ethernet 1, 2, 3 to VLAN 10. Yes, let's go inside. First we need to go inside of the interface fast Ethernet 0, 1, 0. We need to take its range, interface range fast Ethernet 0, 1 up to 3. Yes, switch port mode should be access mode, because we need to configure it to VLAN 10. First of all, mode should be access. Yes, switch port access, where it should access VLAN, which VLAN? VLAN 10. Yeah, it's these three interface has been configured to the VLAN 10. Next we will configure the interface for VLAN 20. IP address 192.168.20.1. Yes, 255.25. If we enter, it's not complete. We need to subnet mask 255.255.0. Yes, we need to assign its port to the VLAN 20. Fast Ethernet 456 to VLAN 20. Yes. Interface range fast Ethernet 0, 0, 4 up to 56. Yes, switch port mode access. Yes, switch port access via VLAN 20. Yeah, this is configured for 8. We have configure VLAN 10, VLAN 20. We have assigned IP address to 8. Now we need to configure one VLAN, management VLAN also here. We have management VLAN. Yes, VLAN, as you will configure VLAN 40 for manage. No, VLAN 30. VLAN 30 for management. VLAN 30 name management. Yes. Yeah. We need to assign a support interface fast Ethernet 08. Yes, here we have 08 port for our management PC. Yes. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 30. Yeah, we have created out of it. How we can verify it? Yes, for verification, show VLAN. In here we have in show VLAN we have HR department, we have finance department, we have management. In HR department, which is VLAN 10, we have fast Ethernet 1, 2, 3. To our HR department, we have finance department, which is fast Ethernet 4, 5, 6 in here, and we have management VLAN also here. Okay, when a big question from you, and here we just assign it interface to the VLAN. How we configure the voice VLAN in here? You need to just do one thing. We need to go inside of the interface which is connected to your voice. Yes. First of all, you need to create the VLAN voice VLAN 40. We need to go config VLAN 40 name. What should be voice VLAN? Voice. Yes, it should be voice exit. Yes. Next, interface fast internet. We need to go inside of interface. Yes, interface VLAN 40. We can assign IP to our voice VLAN. IP address 192.168.40.1.255.255.255.0. Yes. Next, what we should do, we need to go inside of the interface fast Ethernet 01. Why 01? Because interface fast Ethernet 01 is configured to our IP phone. Yes. Switch port mode should be access. Yes. Switch port access VLAN. What? VLAN 40 is just configured for our data VLAN. No. Switch port voice VLAN 40. Yes. Now it's configured. Let's do show interface fastness 01. Yes. In here all details of our fast Ethernet. Let's show running config. In here we have fast Ethernet 0. We have switch port mode access VLAN 10. Switch port voice VLAN 40. It means in this port we have two traffic. One is data traffic and one is voice traffic in here. Yeah. Let's check it. Are these VLAN will work or no? Okay, one more thing. Our IP phone is now power off. Let's power it on. Yeah. Yes, power it on. Let's do the next. This one. Yes. It's powered on. Let's assign IP address to our We have opened it. First PC, we need to assign it to our PC 192.168 10.2. Copy it. Yes, we'll add its gateway 10.1. Yeah, in here. Next PC will configure. This IP address 10.3. Yes, it's gateway should be 10.1. Yeah, we have assigned it to put IP address to PC. Now these PC can ping each other and they can't ping these VLAN. Yes. Okay, between these two switch we have configured trunk port. How you can configure the trunk port? First of all, you need to go inside of the interface like conf interface pass username 07. So, switch port mode should be trunk. What will do the trunk mode? The trunk will transfer all the VLAN information through another switch. It means in this switch we have created many VLAN like do show VLAN. In this switch we have created VLAN 10, 20, 40. In this trunk mode will transfer all the information of the VLAN to another switch, because from one VLAN can transfer to another VLAN data. Yes, switch port mode should be trunk. In another switch also will create the trunk if it should negotiate with each other. Enable conf interface. Yes, what is the interface name? Interface fast is running 0. Yes, switch port mode trunk. Yes, it's trunk. Let's show running config. Yeah, switch port mode is trunk fast is running. In here we have show running config. Yes, fast is 01 is switch port mode access. Yes. What switch port mode trunk? Yeah, do show. Yes, let's go one back and we'll show VLAN trunk. You can show VLAN brief. It will show the brief of the VLAN that you have configured. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, please comment. You have any question, you can comment to this video and I will create a video or answer your question on time. Thank you so much for following. We'll discuss about the inter VLAN in the next lesson. Be with IT expert to become IT expert.